This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies from a cookie mix. First, gather all your dry ingredients like flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Ensure your measuring cups and spoons are ready for precise measurements. This initial step is crucial for a consistent and delicious cookie mix every time you bake. We'll then combine these ingredients carefully. To create your perfect dry mix, start by measuring exactly 3 cups of all-purpose flour into a large mixing bowl. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Use a whisk to thoroughly combine these ingredients. This ensures even distribution, which is key for uniform cookies later on. Take your time to mix everything well. Once your dry mix is prepared, transfer it into an airtight container or a large, sealable bag. It's helpful to label the container with the date and simple baking instructions for future use. Store your mix in a cool, dry pantry or cupboard. When stored correctly, your homemade sugar cookie mix will stay fresh for up to 3 months, ready for baking. When you're ready to bake, empty your mix into a bowl. Add 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of softened butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these ingredients until a soft dough forms. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. Roll out and cut your cookies, then bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes until lightly golden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.